Kia, Sharon Holt here again from Pronunciation Signposts. I've been in Auckland during the weekend on a bit of a secret mission and also doing some pronunciation workshops, and it wasn't easy to stop and do videos on the motorway obviously, so I've remembered some of the ones that I saw and I thought that I would just share them with you for Māori Language Week to start us off and think about how we might pronounce our Auckland place names more accurately. So, o, a, e, I, o, u, o, ne, hunga, not only hanga, o, ne, hunga, hunga. So then we've got a, e, I, o, u again, ma, nu, re, wa, manu, rewa. Not manurewa and not manuera, which some people say. Manu, rewa, manu, rewa. Otara, otara, otara. The O is always o and the A is always a. Otara, otara. Beautiful. And then here's all the A's. Now people say karaka for this, but they also say karaka for orange. So if orange is karaka, then the place karaka is pronounced the same. Karaka, karaka. Ka kite